In this video, I'm going to talk about three string functions that you might find very useful in your day-to-day task. So hey guys, this is Vishwet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So the three string functions that I will talk about is lstrip, rstrip, and strip. Okay, these are very simple functions. They won't take much long for me to explain, and you might find them useful, especially if you're working in data analysis and if you need to clean data. Okay, these functions could really become helpful for you. Okay, so let me show you what lstrip does. Okay, so the idea is very simple. I have shown you the justified, right? The left justified, right justified, the center. Okay. So what left justified that does, if you have not watched the video, I do highly encourage you go and watch that video. Okay. So what left strip is going to do, let me show you. Let's take an example. Let me take hello Vishwajit. Okay, my name dot lstrip. If I do shift enter, what happens? Nothing, right? Then what's the point of using the lstrip? Okay, rstrip might do something. Okay, if I do hello Vishwajit dot rstrip, it might do something, right? Nothing. Strange. Okay, now if I do just strip, what should happen? Probably nothing, right? And yeah, you're correct. Nothing happened. So lstrip, rstrip, strip. I just called the strip function on my string. Nothing happened. No change. So what does it do? Okay, let me take my example. So if I add some spaces in front of my name and some spaces after my name. Okay, let's suppose we have some spaces in front of our string and some spaces after our string, right? So if I do lstrip, shift enter, you can see. So what happened is we ran lstrip on our particular string which has spaces in front and spaces in the end. Okay, so what it did, it removed the spaces in the front. Okay, or I should say it removed the spaces from the left hand side of our string. Pretty simple, right? So you can see it removed the spaces from the left hand side, but we have spaces on the right hand side, right? So left strip does only that, just remove the spaces from the left hand side or the front part of our string. Simple. What does right strip do? You know it, right? You got the idea. I should say R strip. It removes the spaces from the right hand side or from the end. So you can see we have spaces in the left hand side of the string or the front part of the string, but we don't have anything on the right hand side. Okay, pretty simple. That's what right strip does. Now I'll copy my example. What does strip do it? You know it, right? Now you got the idea. You know it, what strip could do. If I do shift enter, it removed spaces from the front and spaces from the end, or I should say spaces from the left hand side and spaces from the right hand side of our string. Okay, now there is few things I should say clearly. So it removes spaces, that is fine. I mean, it removed spaces, that is fine. So what they generally do, like lstrip, rstrip, and strip, they remove white characters, or I should technically say white space characters. Okay, white space characters. Okay, I have shown you previously what are white space characters. If you don't know, these are the white space characters. So we have space, then there is slash n, then there is slash t. Yep, these three of them. So let's suppose I have my string. Okay, I have my string, and maybe in the front I have some white space characters. Okay, or maybe I have /n/t. Okay, maybe few more spaces /t/n. Okay, the same thing I have in the end. Okay, so if I do .lstrip, see, we have hello Vishwajit in front, and it removed everything that was present before. Every white space character is removed. Like, the important thing to remember, every white space character that is present in the left hand side of the string will be removed. Okay, now let's add little bit of confusion to it. For example, if I have maybe let's suppose character. Now if I do lstrip on top of it, what would happen? Let me take this example. Let me put it over here, and maybe I will put character over here. Character. Okay, now if I do .lstrip, what would happen over here? Okay, what would happen? Okay, it actually very simple. What is going to happen is, it's going to remove all the white space characters from the left hand side of our string. Okay, now which is the string? Is it the character, or is it hello Vishwajit? Which is the string? This is the confusing part, right? Okay, so if I execute this, okay, now like, you should know this very well. So it is going to remove everything that is present from the left hand side. Okay, all the white space it's going to remove from the starting till the point it finds a valid character. Okay, C is a valid character. Okay, so it removed all the white spaces it could find from the left hand side, right, till the point it finds a valid character. So we have a character over here. Okay, we have a word over here. So it removed all the spaces, all the white space characters before that. But by white space character I mean, we have spaces /n/t. Okay, any white space character it will remove from the left hand side or the front part of our string. Okay, so our valid string starts from C. Okay, I guess that's simple. If I copy this example, if I put it over here, let me zoom it if you like to see. Okay, I hope this doesn't look pretty bad over there. Now if I do art strip, nothing, I just want to do art strip. So what's going to happen? So this part of the string should be removed, right? Let's see. Boom. So this part of the string got removed, and this string contains what? White space characters. So all the white space characters that are present in the in the right hand side got removed. Okay, so this whole thing is our string, right? This everything inside the quotes is a string, right? Okay, so it removed all the white space characters that are present from the right hand side till it finds a valid character. Okay, non-white space character, I should say, non-white space character. That makes it simple, right? Likewise, if I copy the whole string and I just do just strip. So this is like we ran lstrip and istrip together. Okay, strip is like it will do lstrip and also right strip. That's it. So now you can see we have white space characters which got removed. Okay, and from the front, I should say, from the left hand side, and also white space characters from the right hand side. Pretty simple. So you can see everything got removed, and we have character over here. Okay, valid set of characters, and here you can see here it's from the right hand side, it starts from exclamation mark, and all the things that were present on the right hand side, all the white space characters got removed. Okay, simple, I guess. Now you might say, okay, why only white space characters? Why not something else? Okay, why not maybe I want to remove dashes? Okay, let's suppose we have a scenario like this. Let me get some screen. Jupyter Notebook shortcuts. If you don't know, watch my video. I have made a video on how to use Jupyter Notebook. You should know how to use it. Okay, so let's suppose I have a scenario like this. Maybe something like this is there, dashes, title. Okay, dashes. Now, just I want to know, these are dashes only, right? Let me open Notepad. Okay, I just want to show you something. If I paste over here, these are dashes. Okay, this is what I typed. I am using a particular font. That's why it's looking like it's a straight line. Okay, but don't worry, these are dashes only. Okay, just wanted to say that if you see like this in your screen, that's what I typed. Okay, this is what I am typing because of my font style. Okay, I love to use fonts. It's showing as a one line. Okay, that's it. So now if I do L strip, obviously nothing will happen because there are no white space characters in the left hand side of our string. Okay, but the thing is, I want only the title. I want the title. Okay, that's it. I want title. So what if I just want title, the particular title text? So if I just pass dash over here, if I do shift enter, okay, it removed all the dashes that were present from the left hand side till the point it finds a valid character. Okay, now what I said, I want only the title, only the title. So you know the answer, right? You know the answer. It's L strip. I mean, it's a string dot R strip, right? What do you say? Is this the one? Obviously not. This is not the answer. This is just going to give us a title, okay, with all the dashes that are present in the right hand. That are, I mean, we are going to get title with no dashes in the right hand side. Okay, pretty simple, I guess. Now, the problem statement that I said. Okay, so I don't want anything. I just want the title. So if I get something like this, if I do dot strip, boom, we have title. So what we did, we had a set of, I should say, characters. Okay, we have a string, and we could have something in front, a pattern in front, and a pattern in the end. Okay, we could remove all those characters by using strip. So this is how it works. Pretty simple, right? Now, this gets little bit complex. This gets little bit complex when we let me show you. This gets little bit complex when I have multiple characters. Okay, for example, I want to remove multiple characters. Okay, let's suppose uh, maybe I'm not getting a good example. Maybe apple or app, soft, app, soft. Okay, soft app. Let me take a little bit easier one. Okay, I think this is a little bit easier one, right? App, soft, and app. Pretty simple. If I do dot uh, L strip, okay. Now, if I want only the soft part, the mid one, okay, I will just pass app over here, and it removed app from the first first part, the left side. It removed app from the left hand side. Okay. Now, if I do R strip, it's going to remove app from the right hand side. Pretty simple. Now it's soft app. Now it's app soft. Now, if I want to remove everything from the left hand side and the right hand side, I can do just strip soft. Easy, simple. Uh, like I want to tell one more thing. Like maybe I will just use this particular maybe this particular string. Now, if I do dot strip instead of passing app, okay. So this is pretty simple, right? I passed app, it removed app. Okay, it removed app from the left and the right. Okay, now what happens if I just pass something like this PAP? What will happen? Okay, just check. If I just do it, see, yes, we are getting soft. This is where people create bugs. This is where you should know. Okay, there is something you need to remember in your mind. Okay, it behaves a little bit differently. Now, even I thought this is scary. Okay, this is fine. I just pass app. It removed app from the left hand side and from the right hand side. Okay, I just passed PAP. How come it removed app and app? Okay, so what strip is going to do? Strip is going to take each character and remove it. Okay, so all the if there are any p's present, if I remove a single p, this will still be the same, I guess. Yep. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So all the p's in the left hand side will be removed, all the a's in the left hand side will be removed, all the capital letter a's. Likewise, all the capital letter a's in the right hand side will be removed, all the small p's will be removed from the right hand side. Okay, so this is something you need to know. This is something you need to remember in your mind, okay, while using strip. Probably you won't use it in this way, but maybe just want to show you. So let's suppose we have maybe a combination of plus equals nothing. I mean, it is a garbage. Okay, now you can see this is because of my font style. Okay, it makes like that. Okay, and I will type tada over here, and maybe I will do plus plus. I want plus plus equals plus plus equals. I mean, you get the idea, right? It doesn't make any sense. Now, if I do dot strip and if I just give plus, see what happens. Okay, it removed one plus over here. Okay, from the first hand side, from the left hand side, and it removed three pluses from the right hand side. Because we are using strip removed from both the ends. Now, if I give equals, okay, so it removed plus from the left hand side and it stopped because we have equals over here. Equals is valid, okay, because we are stripping on the basis of plus. And likewise, it removed pluses from the right hand side and it stopped at equals, okay, because equals is valid in this case. Now, if here I give equals, okay, if I give equals over here, plus equals, the behavior, what should happen is all the pluses and all the equals will be removed from the left hand side and the right hand side. Let's check that out. Boom, it got removed. So this is something you should know. This is actually very fascinating to know that okay, strip has some behavior like this. So that's all. I hope this was very useful, and yeah, even I got to learn a few more things. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys liked it, do press that like button, and I will see you in an awesome upcoming programming.